Good morning again. I'm still in Medina. Medina Antique Mall is not the only antique mall in Medina. I'm at Brothers Antique Mall. It's snowy, it's cold. I'm doing the car intro because I'm gonna leave my jacket in here because this place is packed. There wouldn't be much room to move around with this big old coat. So without further ado, let's go in and check it out. All right, well, this piece back here is the first thing that sticks out to me. It looks like Fenton. Let's see if I can maneuver this without issue. Ooh, gosh, that's pretty. Nope, it's Imperial. God, that's really nice. $34 on that. Man, there's this amazing Costa Boda bottles. 95 each on those. And really pretty Fenton iridescent vases. Those are at 55 each. Another little Costa Boda in there. So fun. The little Happy Mushroom Salt and Pepper, $15. That's a deal. Those used to go for crazy. Kitsch has kind of died down a little in price, with the exception of a few really hard to find pieces. Ooh, 20% off, like that. And a nice bittersweet pedestal vase. That one's at $185. I find the prices have kind of dropped a little on those, so I'm gonna leave that here, at least for me. I did not have much luck on Black Friday with the bittersweet. It's okay, it made up for it in other things. But I do see something I really like. Look at the gold tone cat keychain. That almost looks like it could be a Napier. That's at $12. I don't see a discount in this booth. They've got some real fun jewelry, though. Love the big metal enamel pin. Look at this winking owl. That's so fun. Some cute Christmas. Love the little mistletoe elf. Although sometimes these have like a certain scent to them when you take them home, because they used to be air fresheners, if I'm not mistaken. Whoa, like this booth a lot. Oh my gosh, the little glass clown is so funny. He's got a great face on him. And of course, you know, I love the long neck cat back there. 85 on that. Oh my gosh, look at the malachite perfume. That's gorgeous. That's at 88. Oh my gosh, look at this bear. He's amazing. So much personality in him. Now in here, there's a swan that sticks out to me. Check this guy out. That's crazy. I know, like, people always are like, swans don't sell well, but this one's really neat. It almost looks like it could be Russian. It's $18, marked firm. No, firm is crossed out. I'm not sure. That's debatable. Oh my gosh. And then wait. Look at this nesting doll set. She's fantastic. Neon pink, so sweet. I wonder if that swan is Russian. It's pretty great. I might pick that up. This is kind of wild with the frit on it. That almost looks like mad art. I don't think it is. It's just really crazy colors. I keep looking for a signature. I'm kind of surprised it's not signed. Let's see what the tag says on it. Cobalt and speckled, 49. Different. That's a really pretty cruet. And then over here, see the Spaghetti Santa planter. He's at 58, the Italian ornament. But it's these little dwarves. Those are so great. Hey, look, it's our friend plaid shirt guy. So awesome. Oh, I like the black glass. Ah, yes. How could I forget this booth? All right. Let me focus my eyes and energy here. All right. Well, first off, check out this Murano turtle. 45 after the discount, if I'm not mistaken. He's pretty fantastic. A little close for me, but for a collector, that's a steal. There's a lot going on in here. I think this is like a hummingbird feeder, but the colors on it are real neat. Talk about overstimulation in here. The poodles, paperweights, ornaments, all kinds of stuff. I see the chessie, $125 and 50% off. It's missing its lid, but that's a good color. Oh my gosh, the little wacky lion ornament. He's so funny. Yeah, no shortage of stimulation in here. I'm over here looking at the Fenton case. I love the cranberry Jack in the Pulpit. When I was leaving the house, I kept feeling like I was forgetting something. I just remembered what I forgot. I had a present for a plaid shirt guy and his wife, and totally left it at home. Whoops. Oh my gosh, look at this very sickly chalkware bulldog. That's fantastic. And what made me remember it is this is where I got the Epic Boyd's cats. Look at this little guy. Artist signed, $8.50. That's really fun. I think we're gonna go ahead and pick that up. Definitely a more contemporary piece, but it's unique. You know, I like the look of it. Oh my gosh, this might be the best plush dog I've ever seen. Fox Terrier. Oh, how fantastic is he? And then over here, I noticed they have some more bears, although they kind of don't compete with that dog. I like the smaller ones. I've recently been on a big Shuko. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Shuko kick. I have a monkey perfume I got from them. Well, made by them, I should say. And then I saw a little bear and kind of went downhill from there. Oh my gosh, look at the hand-blown glass ice skater ornament. That is gorgeous. Look at all the dogs. Looks like they're on Team Burner Brothers over here. I've got some good ones, though. Like the Artisania Rinconada ones. This isn't a good one. Oh, they're only $15, too. That's a great deal. Oh, my gosh. Look at this owl. He's fantastic. I like his expression. Mexican pottery. Nothing really mandatory yet, although I do love these glasses. They're definitely ready for Christmas in here. Looks great. Let's go over to the tinies. Bulbs and ornaments. I love miniatures so much. It's just fun when it's smaller. Oh my gosh, look at this. I've never seen that before. Vintage reindeer and cart. How fun. Is that USA made? I'm curious. I'm looking for a stamp. Oh my gosh. Look at these bookends. Oh, how fantastic. The red polka dot bow tie. Bookends, $37. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. And then look at this black cat. Sneaky black kitty. That is so fun. He's got such an oddball shape to him, which I appreciate. And then over here, this. What in the world? Look at this bizarre seashell Santa. He's great. He kind of reminds me of Wallace and Gromit. Some more fun smalls. I love the weird frog salt and pepper shakers. Again, another really great case of little Hagen Renekers. I love all the cats. The hippos are great. All kind of where they need to be. Those have kind of skyrocketed in price, to be honest. This is a fun case. Look at the weird bottle with the duck head. And oh my gosh, this cat down here with the googly eyes. He's fantastic. 19 on him. Cat pencil sharpener. So funny. I've had him before a couple times. And the owl. Shell compact. Yeah, I like this style. What's really different is this little, what is it, a trinket box with the eggs? That's so cute. It's so tiny and well done. And I love the bowling bracelet. That's super funky. All right, I'm cutting the line. Last time I was here, I found so much great stuff in this vendor, and it looks like this space is completely different from the last time. I'm excited to see what they have. Oh my God, look at this. I think Sickly Bear is the theme of the year for now. This is a wild Fenton custard vase. I'm not sure if that's gonna be the kind that glows. I could pull out my black light, or I could just go like Yeah, it's the fake out custard. You see, there's 2 different kinds. There's the uranium and the non-uranium, for lack of better terms. Oh my God. Look at this. That is everything. Oh, wow. Yeah, it is everything. $139. A lot of the risque has, I mean, it's hard to find, and there's a big market for it, so they're not wrong. Fenton glowing cat. That's fun. What is this bizarre thing in here? He's great. Nice pottery. Let's see. Some really nice swungs. This blue one, the mouth on that is awesome. That one is gonna be $279. That's a good deal. Glancing over the jewelry here. The snow is starting to pick up, so I think I'm gonna get on the road sooner than I anticipated. I am a city girl in my bones. I'm not sure if I'm much of a snowy road driver, so. Well, I was about to leave, and then I saw this bear looking at me. $149. Gosh, he's so great. And the hood ornament there, amazing. Such a great place. All right, I'm gonna brave the weather and head out further west. Gosh, I hope it's better out there than it is here. Probably not, but I will see you guys when I get there.